Struggling to carve out time for guitar practice? Meet Chordly, the easiest way to practice guitar anytime, anywhere. Designed with a guitar maker, it is durably built from real wood and uses actual guitar strings, replicating a standard acoustic guitar, so practice can transfer to your playing seamlessly. Use it at home to build finger dexterity and strength, at the office to drill chord progressions and improve transition speed, or even perfect scales while you travel, because it's so easy to toss into a bag or suitcase so you can practice whenever you have a few minutes to spare. Chordly doesn't replace your guitar, but it helps you fit in short practice sessions so you'll see quicker improvements when you pick up your guitar again. Its patented 5-fret design gives maximum playability, unlocking hundreds of chords, scales, exercises, and you can even switch hands to practice finger-picking patterns. And it's completely silent, so you can practice without disturbing anyone. There's no longer a need to only practice guitar at home. It's time to take it with you and fit practice into your life. Please support our campaign and grab Chordly for yourself today.